Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this round circle bag with a ruffled front. So let's get started. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. I'm working with 2 strands of worsted weight yarn, Red Heart Super Saver, and a 9mm crochet hook. You could use 1 strand of a chunky yarn. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Carry the yarn end along the outside of the ring, and then you'll be able to close the hole. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 12 double crochet in the ring. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through. Pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. So go ahead and make 12 double crochet in the ring. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've made 12 double crochet. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And now you can pull that yarn end and close that center hole. Chain 2 and turn. Double crochet in the same stitch as the chain 2. And that will count as 2 double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in every stitch all the way around. So 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, 2 double crochet in every stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And I have 26 double crochet. Turn the work. Single crochet in that same stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Working in the front side of the stitch only, like that. In the front side of the stitch, single crochet. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Single crochet in the front side of the next stitch. Repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and there's my last chain 3, and there's my first single crochet. I'm going to slip stitch to join in that first single crochet. Now you're going to move these loops to the front so that you can see the back loops. Okay, so I'm going to slip stitch into that first back loop and go to chain 2, and I'm going to make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 2 double crochet in the next. 1, 2. 1 double crochet in the next. Repeat all the way around, making 2 double crochet, 1, 2, 1, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last double crochet. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, and I have 39 stitches around. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Make one more double crochet in that same stitch. Double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. So 2 double crochet in this stitch. 1 and 2. Now 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 2 double crochet. 1 and 2. Repeat all the way around, making 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last double crochet. There's my first chain 2, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, and I have 52 stitches around. Now I'm going to repeat this row of ruffles. So I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to single crochet in that same stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the front side of the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the front side of the next stitch. Repeat all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, making chain 3 loops all the way around. There's my last chain 3, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Now you're going to bring all these forward again, the same as for the previous row. You're going to chain 1, slip stitch down into that next back loop, and then chain 2, 1, 2, make 1 more double crochet in that same stitch, double crochet in the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3. So 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet. So you're going to work all the way around, making 2 double crochet, 1, 1, 1, all the way around. So 2 double crochet, and then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1, 1, 1, 2, all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, making my double crochets, and there's my last double crochet. The back side of that stitch may be difficult to find. Just find any stitch and work into it behind that last loop. So now I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2, and I have 65 stitches all the way around. I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet in that same stitch, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Like that. Single crochet all the way around. When I get here, I'll slip stitch to join. Okay, I worked all the way around, making a single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Now I'm going to leave this part open for the top of the bag, and I've placed a marker at 14 stitches, and this is going to be the top of the bag. So now I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So chain 1, single crochet in that same stitch, single crochet in each stitch all the way around, all the way around. I'm going to stop here, and I'm going to turn, and I'm going to go back the other way. Okay, I single crocheted all the way around. I'm going to remove that, and I'm going to single crochet in that stitch. And now I'm going to chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in that same stitch, and single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Like that, all the way around until you reach this stitch. Okay, I worked all the way around. I've stopped here. I'm going to make one more row, so I'm going to chain one and turn, single crochet in that first stitch, and single crochet in each stitch all the way around. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around one more row, and there's the top opening of the bag, and because there were no more increases along the sides, this is going to curve in. The sides are going to curve. So that's the front, and if you want, you could make the back exactly the same and have a ruffle in the back as well, or you can complete another circle just like this, but don't work the 2 ruffles. And I have my 2 sections done here. I'm going to use this as my front, and this is my back. And I'm going to stack my 2 sections, and then you can either slip stitch all the way around, or you could sew with a needle and the same thread all the way around. I'm going to slip stitch to join all the way around. And to do that, I'm going to hold the 2 sides together, insert my hook on this side, pull my yarn through over there, and then just do 1 chain stitch, and then matching the stitches, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to slip stitch all the way around. Like that. I'm going to go all the way around. Okay, I have gone ahead and I have slip stitched all the way around the 2 sides and joined this, and there's my side seam, and there's the top opening. So now I'll fasten off and weave the yarn end back into the finished work. To make the straps, I'm going to show you in this main color because you wouldn't be able to see my stitches if I do them in black. So start with a slip knot, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, single crochet in the second stitch from the hook and in each stitch across the chain. Chain 1 and turn. That chain 1 takes the place of the first stitch, single crochet in each stitch across the row. Chain 1, single crochet in each stitch across the row. Like that, and just continue repeating that row over and over until the straps are the desired length, and then sew them on the front and the back of the bag.